Note taking is a fundamental skill that can significantly impact your academic success. Whether you are attending lectures, reading textbooks, or conducting research, having a structured approach to note taking can help you retain information, improve understanding, and ultimately enhance your learning experience. In this context, we'll explore note taking strategies catering to different learning styles and situations. The Cornell method. The Cornell method is a systematic approach that involves dividing your note paper into specific sections, a narrow left-hand column for cues or questions, a wider right-hand column for actual notes, and a summary section at the bottom. This method encourages active management during lectures and helps you identify main ideas and key details and connections. When reviewing, cover the notes section and use the cues to test your memory. Mind mapping. This graphic method is particularly useful for recording intricate links and ideas. Create branches from a central concept to represent subtopics and related information. To make the map interesting and memorable, incorporate keywords, colors, and images. Mind maps are excellent for organizing ideas during brainstorming sessions and for grasping the big picture. Outline method. The outline method involves creating a hierarchical structure of main points, subpoints, and supporting details. This method is particularly useful for subjects with a clear hierarchy, such as history or science. Start with Roman numerals for main points, followed by letters for subpoints and numbers for supporting details. This structured approach helps in organizing information logically. Effective note-taking is not a one-size-fits-all approach. Experiment with different strategies to find the one that aligns with your learning style and the type of information you are dealing with. Remember, the goal of note-taking is not just to transcribe information but to actively engage with the material, organize your thoughts, and create a valuable resource for studying and reviewing. By mastering these note-taking strategies, you will be better equipped to excel in your studies and enhance your overall academic performance.